Hello class, welcome to week 8. You'll notice that week 8 only has one topic. It's designed to be a shorter lesson and placed right in the middle of the course to give you a chance to work on your business if needed and catch up on any aspect there. I know some courses have recently completed midterms or will have those this week. And so that allows you, if needed, a chance to focus on those as well. It's nice just to get a breather in the middle of the semester right before we hit weeks 9 through 13, which will be just as busy as weeks 2 through 7. The focus this week is on Google Ads and ad groups, so we're going to focus more on those. Last week you created your campaign, and this week we'll spend a little bit more time developing that. And then that will be it. You'll just have discussion board and reflection. So let's jump into that assignment. In the ads and ad groups assignment, we're going to learn how to actually write the successful Google ad. So what we've done so far is give structure to your campaign and focus on keywords so you know who your ads will target. Now we want to get into the actual ad that you'll write. So there's some very helpful readings up here and a video to help you in the context of Google Ads to get started. Functionally, I find these to be very valuable resources this week. And then the assignment is to get into your existing ads and improve them. This is really what we'll do in over the course of the next couple weeks, is take what you have in your campaign and your ads and try to build on it. And so ultimately in this assignment, we'll have you copy and paste the ad that you rewrote in the steps above into a Word document and explain one concept or principle from the reading. This write successful text ads right here. As I mentioned, those are very valuable. Pull one principle from the reading that you incorporated into your ad. That's it. So the actual assignment submission is not much. However, it's in the preparation where you find the greatest benefit. As you write this, I want you to consider from a business standpoint the principle that you are establishing right now with your visitors, with your potential customers, is your integrity. Because what you will do in an advertisement is you'll make a commitment, you'll make a promise that they will find something in your business. You will meet some need. And we will talk later on about landing pages, right, that's where these ads will link to on your website. You'll have a specific page that's built for each of these advertisements so that you can deliver on that promise right away. But think about it in that context, that this is the beginning of that integrity test that everyone goes through in an advertisement. Every potential customer goes through this process where a company is going to make a commitment to that person, and the main question on their mind is this company delivering? And you're beginning that process right now with this advertisement. This is where you're making the commitment. And then we'll talk about delivering on that commitment later on. So that should wrap up your week 8 assignments. You'll have, as I mentioned, discussion board and reflection on those. Please reach out if you have questions about ads, writing ads, or if there's anything else you're working on for your business this week that I can help you with. Thanks, everyone.